Hello everyone, so today this isn't a tutorial video. I just wanted to showcase that I rebranded my website, which you can find at tsbsankara.co.ke. On the homepage you'll find a list of all the services that we offer, which include web design, SEO, Google Analytics, and PayPal integration in case you need an e-commerce website or you need something sold online on your website. At the bottom you'll find my contacts right there, as well as all the socials. You can follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, on GitHub. This is my WordPress blog, which you should subscribe to, and this is my YouTube channel, which you should also subscribe to. At the top you'll find my portfolio tab right there, which includes some of the works that I've done, including the OLV Solidarity Fund, which currently ranks #1 on Google search. Oops, didn't mean to open that. And the rest of these are mostly front-end mentor challenges, which are very nice to have on your portfolio because they teach you an eye for design, and you can actually build real-world examples of website that you'll actually find on the web. For the pricing tab, you'll actually find the pricings that we offer. We as well offer landing pages, which I've not added, which I should add actually, and you'll find my YouTube channel page right there, a link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I've taken out only 6 videos. I think these are the most informational videos that I have, and those are the ones that I wanted to be on the website, because you should always put your best foot forward. Okay, so thank you for watching.